Hey, what's up, YouTube? You guys recognize this shooting location, right? This is in fact home in Florida, back from Vegas. First video for you guys, sorry for the delay, but we will start with our normal schedule again. Tonight's video, tomorrow, Thursday, of course, a live show, and then on Friday and beyond that. Tons of questions. You guys have been messaging me nonstop about eBay Open. I have the vlog. I have over 300 clips that I have to edit together to give you the sights and sounds from Vegas. So please stay subscribed and your notifications on to see that video. It's coming, I promise. I just have to play catch up. Today was really the first day of work. Everything will get back to normal. I promise that video will be up before the end of the weekend. I hope to get it up by Friday or Saturday. But definitely before Sunday is over. To answer all the questions from eBay Open, I'm gonna do it in the live show tomorrow night. Make sure you join that live show, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, just come back to my channel and it will be there and you'll be able to go in the live chat to the right. In the meantime, while I have you here, let me update you on just a couple of the things you might have seen in the video yesterday, that the eBay glitches are hopefully going to go away soon. Most of the people who were fired at eBay had to do with those glitches, the website, the coding, the programming, the mobile unit, all that good stuff. I am still seeing people reporting glitches, especially the photo loss. Any of you that lost photos several weeks ago, those photos are gone. The chances of recovering those are probably slim to none. I did interview Bob Cuppins. You guys know he's the Senior Vice President of eBay, and I was not allowed to film it, so the best I can do is in the live show like I promised you. I'll go over every question. So what I want you guys to do is to write down your questions, put it in your notepads, whatever it is. Don't email it to me, don't message it to me, just keep it with you. Tomorrow night, be there, 9 p.m. Eastern time, right here on my channel. You can come back, the live show will be linked. I'll link it up there tonight before I go to bed. You can come back to my channel and bookmark it or whatever you need to do. And ask those questions. I'm just gonna do an entire hour of Q&A. I'm not gonna talk about anything or news or any of that. We're just gonna answer all the questions everybody has from eBay Open and from all that stuff. I did have a huge travel day. Some other people wanted to know fun stuff, so please add some questions about fun stuff. If you wanna know about Vegas, if you have questions about staying there, hotels, flights, I can answer you some flight questions, I promise you. And anything about like food and what it costs, and if you're thinking about next year, any questions you have across the board about the platform or about the trip or about any of that, please add them to your little list and you can certainly ask me tomorrow. You can also put them in the comment section of this video. That's a great place. So what I'll do tomorrow night also is I'll open up this video over on my screen and I'll have the comments so I can kind of roll down them and ask questions. So whatever you want to know, this channel is about helping you guys and that's what I want to do. So I know this video won't be helpful, but this is just kind of me telling you to get it together for tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern. If you can't join me live, by all means, again, leave it in the comment section. I'll answer it tomorrow night, and then you can always go back and rewatch the video. That's perfectly fine. And then if you have follow-up questions or more beyond that, then you can just email them to me or put them in the comment section of tomorrow night's live show. So just wanted to let everybody know, we'll be back to the normal daily video upload starting tomorrow night's live show, tonight, tomorrow night, and Friday, of course. And lots of news that I have stories on I'll be adding for you, and all the normal stuff you have come to expect. So sorry for just an update video of 3 or 4 minutes, I apologize, but tomorrow's gonna be our best chance to take care of it. And all of you guys that requested the VIP group, because I was gone, I wasn't able to get to them, but I will get to them starting tomorrow. It's the beginning of a new month, so we'll be able to do some specials and deals. Remember, it includes your store reviews, all the BOLO list, you get access to all the files and the group and the members, member-only content, videos, all that stuff is included with it. $15 a month, or the rest of the year, I'll give you specials on 6-month and 12-month pricing. So just email me or message me privately for that. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. I look forward to it, 9 p.m. Eastern time, right back here. Don't forget, try to be there. You can listen on your computer or your phone, and I'll see everybody there. I do want to say a special happy birthday to Bill Penny. If he's listening, Bill, happy birthday to you. He's like 29 years old today. Bill and Dave hung out with us in Vegas. It was super special. It was awesome. They were one of all of us you saw in the pictures of the limousine and the party buses and all that stuff. They were awesome and great time. They live up in Pennsylvania, one of like 3 million of you guys that live in Pennsylvania for all you PA people. And hopefully we get to see him again real soon. But happy birthday, Bill. Today is Bill's like 29th or 39th. He's some young guy age, but happy birthday to you. Dave, if you're watching this, tell Bill happy birthday. Take him out for a nice dinner. Take him to do something. He deserves it, Dave. Don't forget him. Get him a drink. And I'll see you guys tomorrow night on the live show.